What's the meaning of conquest? Conquest. Conquest.
Conquest. Conquest. Conquest refers to the act of one group or nation taking control over another group or nation through military or political means. The result of conquest typically involves the subjugation of the conquered people, who are forced to submit to the will of their conquerors and may have their land, resources, or political autonomy taken away from them. Conquest often leads to significant changes in the power dynamics between different groups or nations, and can have lasting effects on the cultures and histories of both the conquerors and the conquered.